A semi-truck is a common term for a vehicle combination used to transport freight. It's also known as a tractor-trailer, big rig, or articulated lorry. This vehicle consists of two main parts: the tractor unit and one or more semi-trailers. The tractor unit is the front, powered section of the semi-truck. It houses the engine, typically a large diesel, and the driver's cab. Cabs can range from simple day cabs to spacious sleepers for long journeys. This unit has multiple axles, usually 2 or 3, with the rear axles providing power. A key feature is the fifth wheel coupling, a large plate over the rear axles used to connect to the trailer. The semi-trailer is the unpowered unit that carries the cargo. It's called semi because it only has wheels at the rear. Its front end rests on and is supported by the tractor unit. The trailer connects to the tractor via a kingpin, which locks into the fifth wheel coupling. This connection allows the vehicle to bend or articulate for turning. When detached, retractable landing gear supports the trailer's front. Semi-trailers come in many forms depending on the cargo. Box or van trailers are enclosed for general goods. Refrigerated trailers, or reefers, transport perishable items. Flatbed trailers have open decks for oversized loads. Tanker trailers carry liquids or gases, while hopper trailers are used for bulk materials like grain. Many other specialized types exist for specific freight needs. The term semi specifically refers to the trailer. Unlike a full trailer, which has axles at both ends and can support itself, a semi-trailer relies on the tractor unit to bear the weight of its front section via the fifth wheel connection. Semi-trucks are vital to modern logistics and supply chains. They transport vast quantities of goods across land, delivering everything from raw materials to finished products essential for daily life and industry.